Georgie. Welcome down here.
Hey guys, so coming back with another tutorial because it's October 1st, but this is going up October 2nd. I'm sorry, I just don't want to upload it the day of because I'm actually filming pretty late. Not too late, but it's like 8, and I don't want to like put it up when people are sleeping. You know, I want to put it up when people are awake. But today's tutorial, can you guess by the thumbnail or the title? We're doing it, the clown. He is actually somebody that I was terrified when I was like, I think 6 years old. So like, you know, for me to be doing this now and facing my fear, I'm actually like really happy about it. But I'm like so excited to do this. I'm gonna make my eyebrows disappear, and you know, if you make my eyebrows disappear, I'm gonna look, you know, it's scary. But yeah, if you guys want to see how to do this, I don't know if it's I'm trying to do a girly version of it, but if it comes out like the original, it's still good. I mean, it's still it, but yeah, this is gonna be the new version of it that came out last year, I believe. But sorry if you heard that burp. My sister's disgusting. I told her to be quiet and she didn't listen to me, but I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So hey everyone, so sorry if I have a morning voice. I'm doing voiceover in the morning. But I'm just gonna start with the white base. I actually forgot to glue down my eyebrows first, so I would recommend you to do that before anything else, just so you have drying time in the meanwhile. Then I'm going in with this white powder mixed with the peach one, and I'm just gonna set the brows, and I'm gonna go in with the same powders, and I'm just gonna set my whole face. And after that, I'm gonna go over my brows again with the white paint, and I'm just gonna try and cover them up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend it all over my eyelid and under my eye as well. And I did try and go in with a sorry. I did try to go in with the brown shade beforehand, but it wasn't blending as well. So what I did is I took a little bit of the black face paint and I blended that first as like a cream base. And then I went back in with a regular black eyeshadow and I blended it out. And as for the eyebrows, the first time I didn't like how they came out, so I kind of like blended out the ends of them and reshaped them. So here I'm just reshaping them. And now I'm just drawing the crow's feet, I guess you call them, and I'm just recreating the wrinkles along my eyes and on the smile line. And I do blend it out a little bit, but I kind of blended it like out too much, so later I'm gonna fix that a little bit. And now all I'm adding are like little details, like the shading above the brow bone. I'm gonna add some forehead wrinkles. And I never noticed this in the movie, but I was looking at reference pictures, and he does have like crackling along his forehead. So I'm just gonna recreate that now. And the lines are a bit harsh, but I go ahead and I blend them out with my finger after I'm done. What I also noticed is that he also has like a dimple on his chin, so I kind of tried to recreate that. And then for the fun part, I went in and I painted the nose. A lot of people actually faded in, but I didn't see his nose like that. It might have been in a different scene, but I just kept mine regular. And then I went in with the red lipstick and I kind of outlined my lips. So my lips are on the bigger side, so I didn't really like how they looked because I felt like they were too big. But in the movie, he does do that weird thing with his bottom lip, so it kind of like fit, I guess you would say. But what I did is I just outlined it and then I filled it in. And the lipstick is Stila from Urban Decay. And then I just proceeded to fill in with face paint too, just to darken the red a little bit. Then I went in with the red face paint and I started drawing the lines from the eyebrow to the mouth. And as I stated before, I didn't like how big my lips look, so I tried to make them a little bit smaller. And here's where I went in with a little bit more of the white face paint and I tried to blend out the black just because I felt like it was a little bit too much. And then I went ahead and I darkened the red lines a little bit. I kind of made them a little bit too thick, but it didn't look bad, so I just left them, especially since the white base. With the white base, it would have been a little bit harder to fix the red paint. But it's up to your preference if you'd rather have them thinner or thicker. And here I'm just adding more wrinkles and smile lines, and as I do add them, I just blend them with my finger. You can use brushes and such, but for me, I just feel like my finger is the easiest to blend with, so. So now I'm just putting my hair into pigtails and I'm using a temporary hairspray dye, which is in obviously the color orange. I didn't really like how it looked just because it didn't grab onto my hair very well. But again, my hair is brown, so I didn't expect much of it. So if you want this look to look even better, I 100% recommend an orange wig, which is what I'm going to buy if I do dress up as it for Halloween. And I'm probably going to buy the teeth too, just because both of those items really pull the costume together. And here I'm just layering the spray paint to see if it would be more opaque. And for the last step, I'm just blending down the white towards my neck, and I'm using black just to define the little, like, indents and stuff. Okay guys, so this is the final look. The hair thing didn't stay right because, yeah, my hair is brown, so it looks pretty bad. Like, I could have done so much better, but I think it was okay for my first try. Usually I practice this before I like film. Well, not film, but like do it for real. Like even for Halloween, I always practice before the day of. But I'm gonna probably do another version of this, a girlier version, even though this one with the eyebrows kind of and the lipstick. But this is basically what it looks like, and I'd prefer a wig over this spray stuff because yeah, it doesn't work well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. No, not next time, I'll probably see you tomorrow in my next video. So, oh yeah, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for FRIGHTOBER because it's about to get spooky.